I am a fan of looking at an embroidery design and then maybe only stitching out 2 or 3 parts of it, maybe eliminating a whole entire section so I can do just the butterfly or just the quilting outline all the way around a design. So when you have a design, we're actually in the middle of this butterfly. This is part of our Embroidery Essentials online course quilt, but you can see where if you just wanted just the flower here, you could stitch out just the step that it took. Maybe you did it with the applique, maybe you did it with just the satin stitch, your choice. But you can come in if you just wanted the butterfly or just the outline. Like this outline could totally be used instead of trapunto, which we do here, but an outline like for machine quilting where it goes all the way through the batting and the back of your quilt. So I'm looking at this design and I'm seeing that maybe I would like to do just the outline, the details of the center of the wings and the body. So I'm eliminating all the quilting that's around here. I can pull up the design and skip steps. So what I want to show you is actually where we can actually take the design and go from color to color. Now, one thing I love about Bernina is that it grays out everything it is not stitching. So like right here, that's where it stitched the outline kind of stipple stitch in the batting all the way around the butterfly. But as I come forward all the way to step 7, that's where it actually does the outline, the satin stitch. Yes, it went around originally fabric, so you could stitch those steps if you're interested. Or you could skip them and just do the outline and the body. So that's like step is 7, color 7, and then color 8. So you can go in at any given time, skip over the sections you don't want, and stitch the ones that you do.